Here's how to add a Visa gift card balance to your Amazon account. Open the Amazon app or website and sign in to your account. In the search bar, type Amazon Top-Up and wait for the results. Next, open the official Amazon Top-Up page. Here, scroll down a little bit and you will be able to select a preset amount. You see also enter a custom amount if you want. Simply enter the exact balance that's available on your Visa gift card, then tap Buy Now or continue to checkout. On the checkout page, tap Payment Methods. Then select gift cards and promo codes. If you have an Amazon gift card code, enter it here and apply it to your account. If you're using a Visa gift card, make sure the Visa card is selected as your payment method for the Amazon Top-Up purchase. Review the reload amount and confirm that the Visa gift card is selected. Then place your order. Once the payment is processed, the funds from your Visa gift card will be converted into your Amazon gift card balance. That's all for this video. Thanks.